All signs point to this day. Our success will cause a big boom, to Archangel Raphael's point. The day is now 36 hours and starts and ends at 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. in an alternating fashion. The launch time of this post is the 8:08 morning gate, on the 3D date 71,320. The following 3 p.m. will start this new day. Simply follow this parallel around the globe until it hits your local time at 3. If you are cognizant that a new day has begun, it is customary to send love and kindness to someone. Today's date on the Archangelic calendar is Infinity 086 Infinity Infinity U5B U5BB Infinity Infinity K2 I2 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 Infinity Infinity B1 TT Infinity. Please visit us at archangeliccalendar.com for more information. And please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for your continued support. Gaia is in the air setting, and this is letting us know where her thoughts and emotions are at the moment. The winds of change are upon us, and Gaia is encouraging us to blow as well. We will be addressing this exact request in today's assignments. For some reason, this day has been singled out by many archangels. There are many possible micro timelines, but the macro schedule seems to be firmly set. We know that it is a day of victory, transmutation, global transformation, and individual choice. Although this day is exceptionally mysterious, we do know that we will really enjoy the outcome. Spoiler alert, the Arcturians are about to level somebody. In observance of the law of disclosure, we are bringing this to the attention of all who read this. Those on a 3D timeline, even those in our personal lives, are going to be going through some intense things. We will see many people get indicted for trafficking and other activities related to human rights. Keep in mind that there are many people behind these atrocities, not just celebrities. The unholy are almost entirely removed from this universe, and it is clear the metaphysical backing of Od has been completely crushed. We have been battling on the sixth dimension and are about to feel the big boom from our massive victory. To give you an idea of the level of success that we have achieved, we are being hailed to help in other parts of the galaxy. You will see this reflected in the assignments in the following days. Double vision is a side effect of the vast timeline changes converging at the moment. For example, I saw the sink full and empty at the same time, the same with an open door. We understand that the shadows of the 3D personalities are playing their parts in their own situation. There are so many changes happening on all levels of consciousness, these physical symptoms are just par for the course. When we webbed the hearts of mankind, the black and blue release became a dominant vibration on our macroclimate. When we see the rifts in humanity, it is well within our power to remind them of their unity, a lesson to be learned in the divine right that we hold. We must care, and when we do, it's clear that the garden that we are tending is our own. We are a force of hope, power, and unity among all people. There is not one primary theology on earth that does not speak of working with angels in some capacity. The recurring theme is that when we make a decision for sure, mountains move. There are so many conceptual notions that we have not fully committed to as of yet. Granted, we have been pondering the questions presented to us, but we need deeper contemplation concerning fundamental human rights and conscious living. It seems most of us feel that housing should be a guarantee, as should clothing, nourishment, and safety, but everyone fails to commit to the particulars after that. They, lightworkers, are the only legion that we have to micromanage. Archangel Raphael. To Raphael's point, we are clearly seeing the evils happening, and we clearly know things need to be done, so don't hesitate, do it when it's brought to your attention. If something triggers your emotions, it did so for a reason, handle it to the best of your abilities. We reconvene here every day, but you cannot wait for that. We are actively engaged in a dense undertaking, and this is no time to second guess what you're doing. The biggest mistake one can make is to assume that we are engaged in a significant life lesson for conceptual spiritual growth. Even though we are always learning, the time for learning is over, we are playing for keeps. You cannot lose sight of this even for a moment. Tools will be active until the next post. Use the legend below to help you decipher how to best use today's weapons. Passive equals no intention needed to use or arm. It will work on its own when you accept its presence. All you need to do is give permission, and it will work on your behalf. Active equals intention needed to use. Aggressive equals will attack before anything has a chance to do any harm to you, beyond space and time. We have gone through significant changes, and thus the weapon-based tools indicated below can be inserted into the ground to call forth downloads. For a third straight day, the Violet Flame is in a 6 set with at least 33 archangels on task, which does not include the stations of the Earth that has 6 Violet Flame specialists guarding it. She is in the element of air, which, like the wind to a blazing fire, causes some incredible anomalies. The Violet Flame team is as follows, and is in no particular order: Archangel Germain, Archangel Ansil, Archangel Bryathos, Archangel Emmanuel, Archangel Tubil, Archangel Kirkil, Archangel Dabriel. Archangel F, Archangel Gzrael, Archangel Tatrasil, Archangel Agla, Archangel Harahil, Archangel Ashma, Archangel Sablo, Archangel Abraxos, Archangel Harahel, Archangel Nuril, Archangel Galizur, Archangel Orion, Archangel Omil, Archangel Adonachil, Archangel Abasdahan, Archangel Vermil, Archangel Adonai, Archangel Dequiel, Archangel Baradil, Archangel Raguel, Archangel Batkol, Archangel Machdil, Archangel Zadekil, Archangel Sanyal, Archangel Bazazat, Archangel Azil, and Archangel Servil. Active. Archangel Michael's legendary sword can handle anything, as it is entirely omnipotent. No level of consciousness can be achieved that this couldn't slice through. It is also a fantastic weapon against electronics and technology, as it can override any circuitry. Passive, active, and aggressive. Archangel Isaac's radiant field looks a lot like Magneto's force field, and it reacts to any life form with either loving energy, or with a transmutational blast of vast power. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Leo's Swords of Plenty is a passive and aggressive attack sword that has a complete will of its own. Do not try to wield at all, you will only get in the way. Equip and go. Passive. Archangel Vahumana's timepiece allows you to savor a positive feeling or thought. It brings an element of majesty to your everyday moments, and it prevents the interference of malevolent time travelers. Passive, active, and aggressive. Archangel Chamuel's radiant peace allows you to be secluded in a peaceful bubble, no matter what is happening around you. It also allows those in your heart to have protection as well. Passive and active. Archangel Jeremiah's enhanced intuition allows the voices of your soul to become louder. It enables the judges of spirit to be more evident than ever before. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Shepherd's orb is a presence of divinity that allows anyone that you are engaged with a clear path to forgiveness or a direct audience with infinitely expanding creator source on the matter. This is a genuinely compassionate tool of divine orchestration. Passive short range. Archangel Zedekiah's pendant of justice lessens all judgment against you and casts you in a favorable light. Active. Archangel Zagzagal's staff of heavenly might rains large crystal masses upon a targeted area. Great for large targets, works on the physical and non-physical as well. Please note the following 3 tools are healing modalities and can be sent remotely to loved ones. Passive and aggressive short range. Archangel Calaziel's radiant rays of health will ward off all disease and illness. It can also aid in the recovery of conditions already inflicted. It can be sent to land masses as well as individual living beings. Passive and aggressive short and long range. Archangel Thelia's radiant compassion sends heartfelt love to all within your jurisdictions. This is the nurturing aspect of healing and it has incredible warmth. It is best to wield this with a calm frame of mind. Active. Archangel Raphael's healing staff is an omnipotent healing force that works gradually or intensively depending on how you wield it. It is considered the best general healing instrument. Today's assignments. We are still working on a macro level, and thus the format will stay consistent. Please use today's current tools if you need assistance performing the tasks below. Our legions and Archangel Metatron were victorious in regards to pushing out the malevolent beings that were hiding in the sacred space that Falun Dafa has created. We found a rift in space and time that many not so friendly beings are using as a makeshift portal. This must be sealed with rainbow thread and reinforced many times over. Please do so immediately. The masses are going to have mass manic breakdowns. We have been warning you about this for a while. Taking the ship out that you are currently sailing upon seems awful counterintuitive. To allow this to go completely unchecked is not in anyone's best interests. There are specific devices whose goal is to increase these manic episodes. Destroy the silent microwaves hitting Earth via the blue and purple satellites in our orbit. Then, destroy the mind control devices called the golden orbs, located around the world. They are mostly found along the shorelines but can be found in other places as well. Please search efficiently. Yes, they are the same ones that we saw in Israel. We wish to awaken the ancient Avatar Mountains of China to activate the ancient dragon energy of the region. This will aid us in removing the CCP agenda from destroying the world. Awaken the entire area with a plethora of golden light. The change in density will be instantaneously noticeable. Gaia has requested our Legion administer a cool breeze in the following light codes. Implement each color breeze code below for as long as possible. Color sequence: white, pink, light blue, gold, yellow, green, red, black, copper, bronze, brown, teal, rose gold, silver, orange, indigo, violet, platinum, diamond, rainbow. Today's meditation is below. Please enjoy.